Hi, buddy. Welcome. Today I will be teaching you how to register on Facebook on the smartphone. So, when the content is useful to you, please subscribe my channel and give me a thumb up. And any questions, leave in the comment. So, let's dive in. So now we are on the smartphone and we are on the home screen and we have to open up the Facebook app. So now we are in Facebook and we have to create a new account. When you have an existing account, please log in with your mobile number or your email and your password, what you used in the past. So for a new account, we click in the button on the button create new account. So now Facebook advise us to the register process. So click get started, put in your first name, mine Patrick, and in the next field the last name, and then click next. So now we have to give our birthday in. So then set your birthday, click next. So you can choose your gender, female, male, or more options, and you can choose any option you want. I choose my male, click next, and now Facebook is asking you for your mobile number and also ask for access to your contacts to synchronize the contacts from you who was already on Facebook. So in many countries this is illegal, but in other countries it's legal, so you can click allow or don't allow. So I click allow because I have no phone numbers at this phone, and I give in my mobile number. Now I can click next, or when I don't want to register with my mobile number, I can sign up with my email. This is also an option, but we do it with the mobile number. Click next, and now we have to create a password. So a tip from me to you, give in words that you don't forget and some numbers, and especially a special sign like the hashtag, and then click next. So Facebook is asking you save your login info. So when you open Facebook again, you don't have to type in your login information, so you can save it now. It's more comfortable. You can easily access Facebook from one click. So I click save, but you can say, okay, not now, but I recommend you click save. You have to agree the Facebook terms and policies. You only can agree this when you want to go in the Facebook world. And now we have to wait. So now Facebook asks for my email address and look in the system info, but you can also click confirm with code instead. I click confirm this with my mobile number, and now I can choose an option like send code via WhatsApp or send code via SMS. When you don't have installed WhatsApp, choose the send SMS or send code via SMS because you don't get the code via WhatsApp when you don't have installed WhatsApp now. So I choose send code via SMS and click continue. And now the code is coming via SMS. I have to wait some seconds. So he filled it automatically, and I have to do nothing. And now I can add my profile picture. So you can skip this for now, or you say, okay, I want to add a picture. So I want to add a picture, and I have to allow the access to my camera roll. So you have to click the allow access button, and you have to allow it again from the system and allow it again a third time for the folder So allow Facebook to access photos and media on your device. You can allow them. I allow it. And now you see photos from my camera roll, but I want to make an new photo with my face. I click in the top right on the camera icon, and then I have to allow it again that Facebook can use my camera, allow access. And now you have three options while using the app, only this time or don't allow. So I click on while using the app, and also the audio when I want to make a video. And now you can see my photo, my face, and I make a photo. So I say done. I can edit it so the people can see my face better. I say done. And now this is my first profile picture. I say done. Now Facebook welcome me and say turn on contact uploading to find friends faster. I can turn on now or say not now. So you can say turn on, it's more easy, but you share your contacts with Facebook. Remind this. So now you can confirm your email address, but I don't want it. So we skip for now. So at the moment, Facebook find no friends for me because I have no contacts on this phone. When you have contacts on your phone and you synchronize it, your friends will be shown there and you can easily add your friends. I click next and now I'm in Facebook. So this is the register of Facebook. Hey buddy, thank you very much for watching this video tutorial for how to register on Facebook. When the video was useful to you, please subscribe my channel and give me a thumb up. You have any questions, please write it in the comments. See you again.